friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making microwave Nutella brownie in a mug. So we just need 3 ingredients: egg, Nutella, and flour. And we're going to make a single serving brownie in this mug and cook it in a microwave. So it's a perfect dessert for one person. It's really quick. If you want a Nutella brownie fix, this is the recipe for you. So I'm going to crack 1 egg in the mug. And I will whisk it with a fork. And I'm going to add 1/4 of cup of Nutella. I already pre-measured it, so it's a 1/4 cup. And I will also add 2 tablespoons of flour. And now whisk it with a fork until everything is combined. And now I'm going to put it in the microwave. So I will microwave it on high for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So the microwave is done cooking. Let's take a look at our Nutella brownie. Look at that. Looks amazing. So this mixture turned into brownie in just 1 minute and 30 seconds in a microwave. Now all the microwaves differ, so if you see that yours is totally raw, then of course just add more time. So you just cook it until it looks like this, looks like a brownie. It should be a little wet inside, like a good brownie, but it shouldn't be totally liquid. But that actually looks totally cooked. See, I can actually springs back to touch. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. So let's try. So perfectly formed brownie. It tastes amazing. So full of Nutella flavor. And it was so easy to make. So if you're craving a brownie and you love Nutella, you can make it today. Super easy, just 3 ingredients. Takes less than 5 minutes from start to finish. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And to exchange recipes like this and talk to other fellow cooks, please visit my online cooking club, everydaycookingclub.com. Again, it's everydaycookingclub.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!